Hey guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how to illustrate a children's book using AI. So let's get started with the video without wasting any time. Now you can see this interface on my screen. You can access this by clicking the link in my description box. And after you will click on the link, you land on this page. Now click on try now for free. And here you need to enter your name and email address. For illustrating the image, I'll use Blue Willow. If you don't know how to use Blue Willow, I have already created a video on it. I'll paste the link in description and you can see it from there. First of all, I'll go to ChatGPT and ask it to write a story for me. Okay, so here is the story. I'll copy the first scene and then I'll go back to Blue Willow. Now in this chat box, I'll type /imagine and I'll enter my prompt here. I have typed the twinkling night illustration and then I'll click enter and wait until my image is generated. Okay, so my illustrations are here. I'll like the third illustration, so I'll click on U3 and upscale it. Then I'll click on the image and then right click and I'll save the image. Then I'll go to Canva and type here storybook. So here are some templates for the storybook. I'll use this template and then click on customize this book. Now I'll upload the illustration I downloaded. I'll zoom it and I'll copy the first paragraph. I'll go back to Canva and paste the text here. I'll change the color of the text. I'll keep it white and I'll paste it here. By doing this again and again for every scene, you can create a storybook of children. You can copy scene 3, scene 4 and scene 5 and then create illustrations with the help of Blue Willow. And then go to Canva and customize the storybook. This is how you can generate a children's book by using AI. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.